I decided to just leave the old paint off, just clear it. That's a stage 3 carburetor from, oh, what the hell's the name of that? Go Power Sports. So what I'm gonna do is I'm getting rid of all of this. Just gonna put a little nipple in it you could use to give the gas. I tell you, you look at this little engine and you know, you got your billet flywheel and your billet this and your billet that, and you know, you think what you got, but let me tell you something. I don't even think like that no more. There's a guy called ballscarts.com, or you can find him on YouTube. That guy makes engines. This is a toy, a complete embarrassment compared to his shit. His stuff is $5,000, $500 if you want a nice motor. $1,500 for one of these. I seen the guy bulletproof a block with a 1/2-inch strip of aluminum billet down the top, inside the engine, around the crank bearing. I mean, nothing this guy sells is junk. He makes the real complete deal. Go Power Sport is cool. It's kind of like comparing a homeowner drill to a drill that a carpenter is going to use every day, or a homeowner saw. This is like a homeowner mini bike compared to what that boy makes. I can tell you that. But it runs good, and it'll do 60. So I mean, you know, it's not a toy. Put a nice got 2 sets of brakes. Idling at 18, 20. So it's got 2 sets of brakes. A little chain tensioner I made there. Keeping it all rough like that. Cleared right over that. That's it, man. This way when you dump it, you don't care. You pick it up and you put a little clear on the scratch. That's it. I'm done with that powder coated stuff, man. That's the only thing I got left out of my powder coated mini bike. That and that. And those 2 oil things in the back of the motor. That's it. This might be idling a little too hard. Let's see. I realized that if I put it on, I just said, out of hell with it. I'll go with it, you know? Yeah, buddy. Take it out for a spin today. I took it out, I don't know, about 12, 13 days ago. And my foot is completely black and blue still, from the knee down. It was horrible. I had to go to the doctor, actually, because I thought they would have to drain the blood from my kneecap. That was my first ride with the 6-to-1 gear ratio. So I changed it over to this 4.8-to-1, and it just takes off so much smoother. And it's going to be even smoother when I change out the throttle system. Then I know I can handle it. Plus, I bought I know it sounds stupid, but you know, at my age, I have to do this. I bought knee shin guards and elbow forearm guards and a pair of gloves and a helmet. You know, I'd wear a damn chest protector if I didn't look like an idiot. Anyway, yeah, I fixed the ears on this too. I welded them. The little ears on for this guy here. Let's see if I can get it. There you go. Hey, don't worry, Joey. Just break your phone. You know, it's $1,000. You got it. Yeah, that's a nice little feature. You know, you want to work on your bike. It's right there. Lift it up. Straight down there. Yep. Anyway, what is it, about 12 o'clock? I'm going for my nap, bro. I'm off this whole week. I'm loving it. Well, not off because I'm off because I hurt my leg, but I'm still loving the fact that I can sleep in, take a nap when I want. All right.